feed me!
Nom, nom, nom. Give me that pig!
Hi, boys and girls! It looks like Tamatoa has captured Moana and is using her as a slave to feed him food! Let's see if she can escape!
I am hungry. Moana, it's time to feed me.
Oh, Tamatoa, you just ate. Do we have to do this again?
Yes, please. Now, spin the fidget spinner. Get up.
Fine.
All right, show me what you brought to eat today.
I found an apple. I found some broccoli and an eggplant.
Sounds good and healthy. We'll see what I have to eat later though. Now, spin the fidget spinner so I know what you're gonna feed me.
Okay, so much fun. Ready? 1, 2, 3, spin! Wow, look at that go! I wonder what it's gonna land on. Oh. All right, looks like we're gonna have some eggplant.
Eggplant's purple like me. Yum.
Okay, here we go, Tamatoa.
Nom, nom, nom. Eggplant, yum. Thanks, Moana. I want more.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed that, Tamatoa. Now we have an apple and we have broccoli. Let's see what we get. Ready? 1, 2, 3, spin! Okay. Oh, I guess we landed on apple. You ready for an apple?
Yes, feed me, please.
Okay.
Put it in my mouth.
Nom, 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 nom.
Thanks, Moana.
Ew, Tamatoa, stop burping. That is so disgusting.
I can't help it. Sorry.
I hope you're done eating now.
No, I want to eat the broccoli too.
Fine. Okay, now are you done? Oh, wait. Hey, Pua! What are you doing? Swim back here! Oh, Pua! You found me! Are you here to rescue me?
What? What's happening? Give me that pig.
No, Pua's mine. He's my pet.
Is he coming to save you?
Maybe. Come on, Pua, let's go.
No, I'm gonna eat you. I'm just gonna have to eat both of you. Wah!
Help, help.
Nom, nom.
Yahoo!
Maui's here.
What? Not Maui.
Ha ha.
And I got my fish hook. Yahoo! Whoa. Oh! Whoops. I didn't want to be a little fish.
Nom.
Yahoo! Oh no, this isn't good either.
Nom, nom.
Moana, I don't think my fish hook's working. Uh-oh.
Wow.
No! Moana, do something! Your voice is pretty funny. Oh, okay. I'm giving
Oh,
Good idea, Moana. Let's do this.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm blind. I can't see.
where'd you go? Oh, where'd you go?
Where's my food? Give me my food.
Come on, Pua. Let's swim out of here. Woohoo!
Guys? Where are my eyes? Dang it.
Yahoo! We made it to shore. And now I'm gonna go get my fish hook fixed. Oh, good idea, Maui. Hey, thanks guys for helping us escape. Let us know if you'd like to see more Moana videos in the comments. And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe or hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone.